Let's build. I'm going to cut an exploratory channel right across here just to see what's behind. I'm pretty sure there's a stud right here. I know there's a stud right here. There's an angle piece coming down. That's from the old staircase, so I can probably cut through that, I'm thinking. But I want to see what's over here. Stud right there. Another stud right here. I'm going to take that out. This is where the stair used to be. I think I'm good to take it out. We have a fridge there now. So far, so good. Yeah, this is just part of the old staircase. I'm cutting that out. I just have this piece left. And it's just nailed onto that piece, so if I could just keep working it, I can pull those nails out.
You don't need to, you can cut.
That's gonna be way easier to pull it out. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Got it?
Of course I got it.
Good job. Good job.
I'm gonna see if I can sneak a 2x4 in here to give some support on the sides. I've got the pieces cut now for the frame. Now I'm going to stain these boards with special walnut, Minwax special walnut, same color that I did the pantry doors with. First, a little pre-stain. I'm going to use this Craig jig to put some pocket holes in these boards. This won't hurt a bit. Let's wipe this off and see how it looks. Oh, that's beautiful. That's really nice. It's a beautiful stain. Just gonna let these dry for a while. I've got this backing left over from our kitchen project. It's gonna be perfect for this. Now I'm gonna make some shelves. I don't know if you can see that. Well, I forgot to press record, but I cut it out. Getting old. Looks good. That is secure. That's not going anywhere.
Yeah. There you go.
Told you it fits.
Wow. Good job. It
Thank
looks
you, Liz.
so good. Guys, look at that.